Could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no love for me, it's only you. I wanna love you with what you're going through. I wanna be down, I wanna be down with you. Don't wait every time. I'm getting all this through. I wanna be down. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe don't you need to show that you cry. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is good time, and I got plenty of, I'll dedicate all my love to you, baby. I wanna stay by your side, be with you, cool you up, and let you know everything will be alright. With what you're going through, I wanna be down. I wanna be down. You wanna be down. No matter what time, my friend, I wanna be down. Wanna be oh, yeah.
I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, 'cause I'm bulletproof.
Listen, wait me back.
Love it up, do. Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highlights. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you baby, 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, nigga, when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We need to walk in the body. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna hug you right. Take me for a ride, baby. Show you how 2 times. You know that I need to live it right on time. Baby, bring it to me, show it right. I'm putting it overtime and overdrive.
Give me low, turn me round, treat me like a watch, bust me down. On the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's my and I want it now. Ow. Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day, new wig, new hair. Come take me out this smooth glare. I be waiting on you some long. Gqeberha, down low like bombs, sweat boom. Nothing but a robe in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you working. Boy, you gotta see it in person. Believe me.
Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too often about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild.
Boyfriend of y'all been jammed.
Ano? Para sa para screen. Do you have straw we bani ngek bon si la funu I chonga we.
Ana time ngalo ka di. Mela permit ko. Mela.
Ah.
When you pass by.
Yes, ya jule. C'est puis.
I got. Thank you.
Yes, I knew it. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna be difficult, but we're gonna run. We're gonna keep on moving.
Comfort in my sins, not about me. All I got right now, feel it. Just in my shirt, new bitch on my nerve. Oh, nigga got curved, going back on my word. Image is so thirsty, still don't know my words, still stressing perfection. Let you all in my mental, calm you looking too desperate. Damn, isn't what you say and how you do me. All I'm supposed to try, baby, supposed to love, and you're supposed to hurt this way. All I need is the best of you. All I got to say, give me all of you.
aja.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch stay mad, let's keep it a beam. When they be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it seems. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking ain't like that I mean. Baddest bitch, how you shitting me? If you ain't a baddie, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini-me's. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks, niggas not breathing. I'm in a check, blow they need me. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch on my body, I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. You in my body, he telling me please. I'm walking past me, sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass while I'm doing my dance. She come on staring cause shorty a fan. Gotta stick to the plan. He mad as fuck, I won't give him a chance. But still he gon' do what I say.
Ya, Iva.
second, every minute. Man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. Blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what a justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what a justice, put it in the song, alright.
I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take it, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, too busy fucking with your man. I was trying to put you on game, but you wanna play you your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you can run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice. Poetic justice. You was new to this life, but goddamn you got justice. I mean, I write poems and these songs dedicated to the fun sex. Your natural head, your soft skin, your big ass, that sundress. Ooh. Good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less, we would talk more. They say communications, relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them for real. Yeah. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, and I just
Thank you.
justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it, and I just want justice, put it in the song, alright.
Yeah.
Every time I write these words, they become a taboo. Making sure my punctuation curve, heavy letter hits true. Living my life in the margin, and that metaphor was proof. I'm talking poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, you need to hear this. Love is not just a verb, it's you looking in the mirror.